is Atiana Renee, and thank you for joining. And if you are new here, like, subscribe, comment, share, everything. If you're old, you know, help sis out and still subscribe. So today I've been just lounging really, and this is like my go-to everyday type of look. Instead of doing cut creases, this takes way less time. I kind of just did the eyeliner just because. And if you also are new, I do not do my eyeliner and my lashes on camera because I have really curly lashes. So it's just extremely hard for me, and it would just make the video really long. I will continue to practice and make that better. But I hope you guys can recreate this everyday look and you can just enjoy life like me. So see you guys later, and if you do recreate this look, let me know so I can share it on my Instagram. Love you. Using the Morphe 15 Day palette, I will definitely leave the link in the description box below, and I'm just putting this all over my lid, sis. Don't have no designated area as to where it is going. It's just going up there. Okay. Yeah, true. Your attention. Listen to what Okay, back to seriousness. I'm still using the same palette. I love when my friend comes over because we have the best times ever. And I'm still putting this like all over my lid. I don't know. I just don't have a designated area for this just because it's like an everyday look. This is like the quickest eyeshadow look ever. And this is a shimmer look that we're just going to put closer to the eyelash area. I guess this will be the lid area, but you know, whatever. And I got a different color, but I will put them in the description box below so that you guys can know exactly which two shimmer shades that I use. I didn't put it in the video by accident, and I completely apologize for that. I also want to apologize for me being absent. I took a break from YouTube. I just needed a breather from it, and I know that I shouldn't be saying that, but you know, sometimes things happen. So now we're using the Fenty Beauty foundation. Don't remember what number it is. I'll leave that in the description box below. And I am just using this big Real Techniques blending sponge, y'all. And I am just putting this all over my face. I don't have no designated area. What I can tell you is if you use the Fenty Beauty, please work fast because it does dry pretty quick. And you will be wasting product and you will have like spots on your face. It is something that you do have to work with. And now I'm just highlighting my face. Again, I'll leave this product in the description box below, so make sure you read that. I know some of y'all don't like to read the description box, but you're gonna have to for this video. Okay. So I'm just highlighting my face, my nose, under eye. I kind of highlighted my forehead, and then I kind of got mad about it because I don't really like highlighting my forehead. I don't know why. I like that my forehead is big, so I don't like to contour my forehead. Like, it's there. It's great. What do you want to do about it? It holds a lot of knowledge and whatnots. But now I'm just blending that in. Make sure you use a wet beauty sponge, beauty blender, beauty whatever the heck. I don't know. That big orange thing. How about that? And right here, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, and I am setting under my eyes and stuff. I do have dry under eyes, so I kind of just want it to melt into my face instead of me baking and then wiping it off, because I will look like I'm 70 instead of 24, and then we were gonna have issues. Okay. But you see, me and her just like talking and stuff like that. I had to mute this video because we were talking about some crazy things, and y'all don't need to know about all that. But I got this new highlighter from Walmart. It's the L'Oreal Lumi drop highlighter. I actually kind of like it, but the next time I use it, I'm not going to use 3 drops like I did, so please do not do that. It's a little harder to like blend in. Like, maybe just do like a straight line. As I said in the beginning of the video though, I did do my lashes and my eyeliner off camera. and stuff. But I did use the waterline. Don't use black eyeliner if you already have small eyes in your lower waterline, because it'll make your eyes even smaller. But this should be just about the end of the video, sis. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming.